We're gonna take the right poi, flip it behind in figure eight, stall to the right, go into the overhand weave, turn left to the underhand weave, turn right to the overhand weave, turn left to the underhand weave, open it up, sweep up into clockwise pinwheel, split the time, try the extension, go 3 and 2 and 1. Now we're gonna take both poi into together time, and we'll do 3 extensions together, 1 and 2 and 3. Now on the 4th one, turn all the way around 360 degrees back to the front and turn right to the overhand weave. And then open it up into circles, bring the hands down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Same time, right foot forward, sweep back round, underhand on the left, split time, up and down and up and down and up and down. Last time up, come back down, underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, open it up, sweep back, underhand on the left side, stick your hands out to the side, wrap up the poi once around your hands, pinch it between your fingers. Now you're holding it on the outside like this, and try figure eights with your left hand. So you're going from the outside to the inside, from the outside to the inside, from the outside to the inside. So you have to make it short enough to be able to comfortably come inside like this. And you're going from the left side of the arm to the inside, left side to the inside, left side to the inside, left side to the inside, to the inside, left side to the inside. And then bring it back out. And then your other arm, we're going to go from the outside to the inside, the outside to the inside. So it's on the right, inside, right, inside, right, inside, right, inside. Okay, now bring them both on the outside and then take them both at the same time, flip them to the inside and split the time, and you're in your underhand buzzsaw. Right, so if you did the whole thing, you were like this. In split time circles, I had you go into, oh no, actually we're in same time circles. I had you wrap it, flip it, split the time into the underhand buzzsaw. And then to get back out, sync it up, flip it out, and do what you want. You can release it at that point in time. Or as you are coming out from the inside, release at that point in time. Either works. So this is the immediate release as you're going to the outside, or you could be small, come to the outside, and then release. Whatever feels good.